clock is ticking, the stove is on, and you're still stuck at the cutting board. We've all been there, feeling like cooking is a marathon instead of a joy. But what if your kitchen actually worked for you? Today we're diving into the brilliant world of Amazon gadgets specifically engineered to give you your time back. These aren't just tools, they're the shortcuts you didn't know existed, designed to eliminate friction and bring professional efficiency to your home. From prep work that takes seconds to clean up that's finally manageable, we've curated the ultimate game changers. Let's upgrade your routine and start with this first essential discovery. Imagine coming home and having a gourmet, healthy dinner ready without hovering over multiple pans. This dual-tier powerhouse transforms the way you meal prep by steaming your protein and vegetables simultaneously in separate, stackable chambers. You just turn the dial and let the gentle heat lock in nutrients while you finally relax. It takes the guesswork out of the equation with a built-in timing guide and a clear window to monitor water levels, ensuring every grain and stalk comes out perfectly tender. Cleanup is just as fast since the baskets are completely dishwasher safe. Elevating your nutrition and reclaiming your evening is a seamless experience for $39.99. Picture the sizzle of a perfect steak without a single puff of smoke drifting through your kitchen. This high-performance system uses a powerful turbo extractor to pull in vapors, allowing you to enjoy an authentic barbecue experience right on your countertop. With 1,500 watts of precision power, you can switch between the dedicated grill and griddle plates to sear everything from delicate scallops to hearty breakfast favorites. The large surface ensures no one is left waiting for their plate while the smart interface maintains the exact temperature you need. When the gathering ends, every component slides right into the dishwasher. Bringing the outdoor flame inside is a sophisticated reality for $118.63. Stop settling for store-bought cartons filled with additives and reclaim the purity of your morning coffee. This sophisticated machine transforms raw nuts and grains into creamy, professional-grade milk in under 16 minutes without the messy prep of soaking overnight. Whether you prefer the richness of macadamia or the subtle sweetness of oat, its patented extraction technology handles the pulverizing and filtering for you. You can even set a delay start so your fresh batch is waiting the moment you wake up. Once the glass pitcher is full, the system initiates an automatic cleaning cycle to keep your counters pristine. Total control over your nutrition is a reality for $199.95. Odors and overflowing bins are now a relic of the past for your modern home. This award-winning system quietly pulverizes everything from tough fruit pits to chicken bones, shrinking your carbon footprint while you sleep. Its integrated carbon filtration ensures your air stays crisp and neutral, even when processing heavy scraps. You simply fill the 5-liter bucket and watch a mountain of waste vanish into nutrient-rich plant food in a matter of hours. It consumes less energy than a standard clothes dryer, offering a sophisticated, high-tech way to manage your environment. Sustainable living becomes a seamless luxury for $509.15. Elevate your morning ritual with a masterpiece of minimalist design that brings laboratory-grade precision to your countertop. A single turn of the weighted metal knob allows you to calibrate the heat to the exact degree, ensuring your delicate green teas or robust coffee grounds never suffer from scorched water. This 1,200-watt system features a built-in infuser and a specialized V-shaped nozzle to guarantee a silky, drip-free pour every time. Because it remembers your favorite settings, your perfect cup is always just one touch away while the dual-shell glass keeps your touch safe and your water pure. Refined control over every steep is yours for $67.99. Say goodbye to messy fillings sliding onto your plate during lunch. This clever device allows you to seal large flour tortillas into perfect, leak-proof parcels in seconds. Simply load your favorite ingredients, fold, and crimp to create a secure pocket ready for the air fryer or pan. Whether you are craving a crispy quesadilla or a sweet chocolate snack, the result is always a professional golden wrap that children and adults will love. It is BPA-free and cleans up instantly in the dishwasher. Leveling up your snack game is a simple delight for $18.99. Experience the surgical precision of high-carbon stainless steel with a collection that turns every slice into a masterpiece. These hand-sanded blades feature a razor-sharp 15-degree edge, allowing you to glide through everything from crusty bread to delicate paring tasks. The set is anchored by a magnetic acacia wood block that folds flat for secure drawer storage. keeping sharp edges away from curious hands while resisting moisture and wear. Each ergonomic handle is weighted for perfect balance, giving you the confidence of a professional chef during intense meal prep. This fusion of ancient artistry and modern safety is a definitive kitchen upgrade for $76.48. Bring a vibrant glow to your counter with a glass kettle that uses tricolor LED lights to signal every stage of the brewing process. This stainless steel system boils water in just 3 minutes, offering 7 precise presets to ensure your delicate teas and bold coffees reach their full potential. You can steep large batches using the removable infuser, then lift the cordless carafe to serve guests in any room. The removable lid makes refilling and deep cleaning a seamless task, while the keep warm mode maintains your perfect temperature. Sophisticated hydration is an accessible luxury for $29.74. Experience the pinnacle of Swedish engineering with a cordless carbonator that turns daily hydration into a sophisticated ritual. Its sleek stainless steel body features a one-handed push-to-lock mechanism, securing the elegant glass bottle for a seamless, sparkling experience. Forget plastic and electricity. This matte-finished masterpiece delivers crisp, professional-grade bubbles with a gentle, soft, close shield. Refined, sustainable luxury is yours for $364.95. Ditch those bulky, old-fashioned machines and reclaim your counter space with a sealer the size of a pepper grinder. This wireless powerhouse keeps your ingredients fresh 5 times longer, preserving every ounce of flavor and nutrition with a single touch. It seals each reusable, BPA-free bag in just 5 seconds and handles everything from delicate berries to savory leftovers. With a battery that lasts for 1,000 uses, it is the ultimate portable partner for a modern, waste-free kitchen. Professional food preservation is a smart investment for $79.98. Stop settling for average crusts and bring the secret of professional pizzerias to your countertop. This charcoal gray powerhouse uses spiral mixing technology and a rotating bowl to develop elite gluten networks for bakery-quality dough. With 58 precision speed settings, you have total control from a slow knead to a fast whisk. Whether crafting artisan bread or whipping delicate creams with its 4 specialized attachments, the results are consistently superior. Transforming your home kitchen is a definitive investment for $799. Mastering delicate sauces or searing at high heat no longer requires a bulky stove or constant supervision. This portable induction powerhouse uses a shatterproof ceramic glass surface to transfer nearly 90% of its energy directly to your pan, making it twice as efficient as traditional burners. With 51 pre-programmed temperatures and a range from 100 to 575 degrees, you can melt chocolate without a double boiler or boil water in record time. The intuitive digital interface allows you to make precise adjustments on the fly without ever restarting the process. Professional heat control for any space is a smart kitchen upgrade for $139.99. Transform your breakfast table into a high-end bistro with a device that reinvents the very shape of your morning meal. Instead of a flat plate, you can now bake a thick, 4-inch golden bowl that is ready to be filled with everything from fresh berries and cream to savory scrambled eggs. There is no need for specialized batters. Your favorite store-bought or homemade mix works perfectly to create a fluffy, tender vessel in minutes. The non-stick grids ensure each creation slides out with its crisp texture intact, making cleanup a secondary thought while you explore endless recipe possibilities. Elevating your hosting game with edible art is an affordable luxury for $33.03. Ditch the fatigue of manual shredding with a Swiss-engineered powerhouse that brings professional efficiency to your prep station. This heavy-duty aluminum grater features 3 specialized stainless steel drums to slice, fine grate, or coarse shred everything from hard-aged cheeses and chocolate to dense nuts and crisp vegetables. Its dual locking system utilizes both a high-traction suction foot for smooth counters and a robust table clamp for textured surfaces, ensuring absolute stability during rapid rotation. You can process large quantities in seconds while your hands stay completely clear of the razor-sharp blades. This lifetime kitchen essential is a definitive upgrade for $165.99. Ditch your traditional stove for a high-velocity convection powerhouse that cooks 30% faster than standard air fryers. This 11-in-1 smart oven utilizes a specialized 3200 RPM motor to handle everything from dehydrating snacks to roasting a family-sized chicken in its 25-quart interior. You can monitor your meal's progress from the couch using the integrated mobile app, which offers dozens of chef-tested presets and precise temperature tracking over Wi-Fi. The sleek haptic touchscreen provides instant feedback while the system adjusts itself for a perfect golden finish every time. Reclaiming your kitchen's efficiency is a premium reality for $599.99. Eliminate the guesswork from your breakfast with a sleek stainless steel toaster that projects your exact settings and a digital countdown directly onto its luminous display. This high-tech 4-slice system features 5 dedicated presets for everything from gluten-free slices to thick bagels, ensuring the perfect crunch across 11 distinct browning shades. The extra-wide slots accommodate hearty breads, while the integrated warming rack gently heats delicate croissants or rolls simultaneously. With a refined touch interface and a hidden crumb tray for effortless maintenance, your morning routine becomes a seamless, high-definition experience. Precision browning is a modern luxury for $62.13. Ditch the waiting game of boiling water and master the perfect protein-packed breakfast. This versatile tower allows you to steam a full dozen eggs, poach 7, or craft a fluffy omelet in record time. Its thermal sensor ensures consistent results for everything from soft-boiled snacks to tender steamed dumplings. With dishwasher-safe parts and a compact design, your morning cleanup stays as efficient as your cooking. Gourmet convenience is a simple reality for $29.99. Bring the authentic Italian cafe experience into your home with a sleek, one-touch system that masterfully balances rich espresso and fresh milk. This shadow black masterpiece features a specialized single-serve jug that prepares creamy cappuccinos or lattes with a single button press, using exactly the amount of milk needed for zero waste. Its compact footprint fits seamlessly into any modern kitchen, while the dishwasher-safe components and automated desk scaling alerts ensure your morning ritual remains effortless. From bold lungos to velvety macchiatos, every cup is a professional-grade delight. High-end brewing precision is a daily luxury for $429. Transform your harvest into artisanal snacks with a professional 15-tray system that ensures perfectly even drying without ever rotating a rack. This 800-watt powerhouse uses rear-mounted airflow to craft everything from savory jerky to nutrient-rich fruit leathers and custom dog treats. With a 48-hour digital timer and precise heat control, you can preserve large batches of herbs or flowers while enjoying whisper-quiet operation. Large-scale healthy snacking is a smart investment for $199.99. Step into the future of culinary precision with a masterpiece recognized as the pinnacle of large-scale air frying for 2026. Inspired by professional pizza ovens, this whisper-quiet system utilizes dual top and bottom heating elements to eliminate the need for constant shaking or flipping. It is the fastest in its class, slashing cooking times by 30% so you can serve 32 crispy wings in just 14 minutes. The latest AI update introduces a revolutionary recipe generator. Simply snap a photo of your ingredients, and the app instantly calibrates the optimal settings for a gourmet result. With its PFAS-free ceramic basket large enough for a 12-inch pizza and 15 versatile functions, it replaces a dozen kitchen tools while maintaining a peaceful environment. This award-winning fusion of artificial intelligence and high-velocity thermal technology is the definitive choice for the modern home chef at $339.95.